Hello everyone, in this video we are going to learn how to create invoices in Wix.com. It is very easy and very simple. First of all, let me tell you that what are invoices? Invoices are basically a gathering method for the payment gathering, or it is used to send payments to the client to whom you send your invoices to. So, how do Wix help us to create the invoices and send them to your clients? Invoices are also used to, I would say, pay to your clients the subscription, or if there is some taxes you're trying to pay. For all these purposes, for dealing with all the types of payments, we use invoices. And yeah, so let's just deep dive into how we are going to create an invoice on Wix.com. First of all, what you need to do is go to your Wix.com. There you see there's an option of signing up or logging in to your account. You are going to sign up or log in using a password, and a home screen at the dashboard is going to appear. You see, this video is only for the sake of the video and not for the personal use, but still, I am going to teach you guys each and every detail that how you're going to create it. It is very simple, very easy, no complicated method, and it is, let's just say, 2 to 3 steps. So you see, this is my dashboard. Let me just show you guys. This is my dashboard, and what I'm going to do is create an invoice. You see there are so many options: set up, home, getting paid, sales, apps, etc. But what is of our use? This getting paid, I'm going to click on this. When I click on it, you see there are so many options in it. You see the option of connect setups, pay links, invoices, the option we're looking for. Moreover, there are the options of price codes, there are the options of proposals, POS, checkouts. So you see these are all the options that are related to getting the payment method. So what I'm going to go, we're going to click on invoices because we are dealing with this right now. Here you see we are going to, you can also watch a tutorial. You see Wix.com is, you see so many features, and all of the features are completely secured. You can use any one of them, and it is so easy to use. Here you see I have clicked on get started, and it is going to ask me that if business info will appear at the top of every invoice, you can add or edit details at any time in the settings. So let's just click on logo. You can add any image, whatever you want. You can upload it from your computer, or you can also see I don't have any, so you guys can do it on your own. If you don't have any, you can also skip this part as well. Business name, what is the name of your business? Let's just say the name of my business is Summer Sale. You're going to add the business email address. Since this is just for the sake of the video, I'm going to write abc@gmail.com. Add and continue. You're going to click on this, and it is going to create an invoice for you, but it is going to require some more details, so let's just dip into it. Here you see this is my summer sale. Here the logo will appear if you put any image or upload it. Now you're going to add some customer details. Since this is, you're going to add a customer detail over here if you have any customer, and this is the invoice title that you're going to add. Give this invoice a title. For instance, there's any clothing or purchasing, or there is some website redesign that you're looking for. You can add whatever you're looking for. Let's just say I'm looking for ABC summer sale. This is my invoice title that I'm using. You can add the product or the services. For instance, there is invoice items. You can add some new items. Let's just say men's t-shirt. Description, black colored, or you can also edit the size. Price, you can enter here the price. Let's just say it is 1,000 rupees. Save and add. This is what I've created so far. Now, you can also add a note, for instance, thank you for visiting. Here. And you can also enter the specific terms for all the customers that are visiting your website. Let's just say here it is written, payment is due within 21 days of issue. You can write whatever, I write ABC. You can write whatever comes in your mind. Here you see you can click on save and close. You can collect the payment or record the payments. You can also send the invoice. So you see, this was very easy. There were only the few steps that you had to follow. First of all, you had to create an account on Wix.com or sign up, and then you had to head to your page or your home dashboard. On the dashboard, you see the option of getting paid. You click on it, you go to your invoices. Here, on clicking on invoices, you're going to add all the details. You're going to show the validity date. You see the issue date and the due date. You're going to fill all the necessary details, and you will get a chance to create an invoice and send it to your client. After sending your invoice, your client would be able to pay you, or you would be able to pay your client or whatever person you're working for, and in this way your payments would be easy. So this video was very easy and very simple. I just gave you a quick tutorial of how to create an invoice. See you guys in the next video. Thank you so much.